Assalamu alaikum, dear learners of the Android software engineering course and software engineers world. I'm Abdul Qayyum and I'm with you for the discussion of the very next lecture of Android software engineering course, which is the first program. The first program of Java means a traditional hello world program. We create and run our first program in previous lecture, but here we will see the every element of every line of the first program, and we discuss how to create new project in the IntelliJ IDEA. But here we will discuss how to open a new project. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start the open. There's another tab, open and import, so click that. It will follow the pattern which previously uploaded for path, but here I have created the Java project because my all Java practical projects comes inside this file. So you can see this simple icon on that folder, that Java, not now you can see this is a simple icon which show this is an IntelliJ IDEA project. So I'm going to click that Java and click OK. This will load my Java project in my IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so please be patient until my new project or my previous project upload are ready to use in IntelliJ IDEA. So till then wait, and I'm going to push my video. You can see after the some wait, our project is ready to use. Here you can see this hierarchy. Now you can understand this the main folder Java, which are directory folder Java, and inside that here we have some of other files folders, the IDEA, ARS, core Java programs, and other projects like Java expecticals. We will create this also. So these are files, and you can note this simple hole on this file icon. It represent as a project or not package. Okay, package in the IntelliJ IDEA also works as a folder, and I have created the folders for every new chapter. Now I named the master for project as a Java computer reference, means we are going to 0 to end of the Java, and I created other projects, other packages like this first package means Java computer reference, and we have other packages like the date and time package. We will learn discuss about the date and time API, and this will follow this project, this package. Not sorry for I am doing the project, but it's a package. Okay, and we are going to first where the introduction, control statements, data type. You can see there are much of programs in this package also. We will discuss all of the programs. I already created your practical sessions which we will discuss in further lectures, and I'm going with the Java overview. Here is a hello world program. I'm going to double click it. It will open in this is a hello world Java, which is the introductory first program which we are going to discuss. Okay, you can see I comment all of the essentials of this program for this class, but I already discussed mention all of the essentials of this program in this slide also. Okay, I'm going to open this slide, and we will first come with from this is my practical, and you can note this first line, and I mention this first line in this is a first line. You can note this was a same line which was available in my class also. Now what is this? This is a comment. Like most of the programming language, Java let you enter a remark into a program source file. The content of a comment are ignored by a compiler. Means we write comment for just understanding of the programmer or other programmer or programmer which will see this code. And I mentioned the first comment as this is simple program. As you know, this is just hello world program, and it will just print some of content on console. So this is just a simple program, and I commented that this is a simple program. So this will ignored by the compiler, and it will not compile by the Java compiler. Or a comment. Java supports 3 styles of comment. First, in the multi-line, as you can see, this is a multi-line comment. This signs these signs represent this starting point of multi-line comment, and this is the ending point of the multi-line comment. Okay, anything between this will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, so let's go further, and we have next line is class hello world and this sign. Okay, now you can note this is the second line after the comment. This is a whole comment, and after this the comment we have this line. Okay, you can see this line also. This is a package which defines our this file is present in the Java overview package. First master project is Java complete reference, and then you can see this is the Java master complete package reference, and then inside the Java complete reference we have another project package. It's a Java overview, and this comes in Java overview. Dot is a connecting operator, as we discussed in the previous lecture. Simply we will discuss all of the operators in future lectures and very much detail, but here just a demonstrating purpose. Understand as dot is just a connecting operator which connecting the Java complete reference to the Java overview. Okay, and this is a package hierarchy, means our this file is comes from the Java complete reference and then Java overview, and inside the Java overview our hello world program is available. So this next line is hello world. Okay, you can see this here. The example, I didn't write the hello world, but just an example. The same as you can see this example is the class name. Okay, so I'm going to discuss on that. It will confusing to you. So class hello world, this is a class keyword which defines class in the Java. Okay, and hello world is the name of the class. Okay, and capital letters, this capital letters not confusing too much to you after the some of the other lectures, but firstly they are Java follows the camel case, and our all methods will have the initial word in the small letters, and class name should be all words should be in first words. Means just hello is a separate word and word is a separate word. So first of their first word should be in capital. It's convention, Java convention. Okay, this is the name of the class, and this brackets. You can see I also mentioned this brackets here to do just highlighting comment. Means it just highlight help us to highlight or see in our console. There's a to do tab which shows all of tabs which available in this program. I'm going to Java complete reference and Java overview, and in this Java hello world program we have 1 2 3 4 to dos. Means our Java program have 4 comments, and aside the comments I highlighted the three to dos, means this represent I have to discuss these three steps. They are highlighted. The to do help us to highlight the comment. Okay, when I click on this, I will go that to do. Okay, this is the first to do. The class the keyword which is used to create classes, and other one's a hello word. Hello word is a class name which can be any name. Okay, now another to do. Okay, click on to do, and this is a bracket or brace. Okay, these are braces which define block. Okay, what is mean by block? This is a brace, and when you click on this defines a class brace and defines a brace block of the class. All code will be of that class will becomes inside that block, and this is the main method block. Okay, block means room, just a room, and this is the initial point, and this is the ending point, and this initial point of the method, and this is the ending point of the method. Okay, all of the code of that element, like class code, will becomes inside this block, and out of this block will be understanding as the code of that class. Okay, so our next to do is the public static void main, and string array and argument. Okay, you can see this. There's a next. This is also comment. This is a single line comment. This sign represent the single line comment. What we will write on that line will be ignored by the compiler. So this is our, because this is our single line comment, and if I come next that and I write this, but this will not be ignored by the compiler. This will be out of the comment, because this is a upper with single line comment, and when I write to the comment on second line, I have to make sure I have put the forward brackets, two forward brackets. Okay, thank you, and sorry for the name confusion. And this is a multi-line comment, and this is a single line comment. We will discuss about other comments also. This doc type comment in Java, but in future lectures. And after, when I will discuss this second line, this is the public is the access modifier which allow to use main globally. Okay, what mean by globally? Means worldwide. Means public is make this main method to available globally. Okay, and stated is a Java keyword which help main method to invoke without creating its class object. You should understand that every program should have a initial point or starting point, and when we are talking about Java has a main method as a starting point. Okay, and main method should be created without creating objects. As you can know, our Java comes with the object-oriented model, and object-oriented model means every program should have objects. Every class have objects which used as a real world reality of class, but because class is just as a blueprint, but every class has a starting point, and every class has a, not every class, but initial point class have a initial starting point which comes in the shape of the main method. Okay, static the keyword which help us to invoke the main method to without creating its class object. Means to invoke the main method, we don't need to call the object of the hello world class. And the void defines the return type. Void refers to the no return type. Means every method have a some of the return type, and some of have no return type. So when any method have the return type, we will discuss all of this about return type in the methods. But here understand that void is just defines no return type, means this main will not return anything. Okay, then is a main, and this brackets you can see this brackets is identify the method. When in future, when comes any name and after that bracket, you can understand this method or a constructor. We will discuss about constructors in future lectures, but here understand that this bracket shows the structure of method. Every method have this bracket after the name. This bracket used to identify the parameters of the method, or it can be null also, but it will available with the method name. Main is the name of the method which used as a starting point of program, and this a bracket after the method used to provide parameters to methods which can be null also starting, and as after that the starting string array is an array of the string. We will discuss about array in future lectures also. And arg is an argument for the methods. It can be any name. You can see I can also change this, and about this no this spelling error, but don't go with I name it traditional arg as argument, because different represent the argument shortcut. It can be any name, but we can change this keywords. We can change this name, we can change this name, we can change this, but we can change the Java keyword library methods names, or Java library keywords, or Java keywords. Okay, so let's. And then we have another comment to do, which is a system.out.println, which is the next line, this line. Okay, I'm going to come one line. Okay, this is one line. Next line is the system.out.println hello future Java developers. Inside this bracket, in this double quotes, everything will be written on console as it is written in this double quotes. Okay, because this is a string, and string always comes in the double quotes. System is a built-in class in the Java library. We will discuss about the Java library in the advanced or the intermediate lectures, and we will discuss about the firstly we discuss about Java fundamentals, then object oriented, then we will cover the Java library also. Okay, and system the built-in library available in the Java library. And dot is a separator and also work as a connecting operator. As I mentioned earlier, for this Java complete reference, dot is work as a connecting operator which connects Java overview to the Java reference, and also to represent the Java complete reference is the master, and its child is the Java overview which comes inside the Java complete reference. It is working as a connecting operator, and it also works in the methods. Means system is a master method, and master in the library, and inside that we have out.println, a method which comes inside the system library, and this helps us to print on the console. Means this will get the permission to run on the console. Okay, so let's go further. A println are methods to print on console, and hello to the future developers is a string parameter. We discussed every method have a parameter, and it can be null also. Okay, which we provide to println methods to print on console. Here we can provide any argument. We can provide any of kind of argument, and then another important thing is this semicolon. You can see this semicolon. Semicolon is a terminator, means which terminate the statement. When compiler see this terminator, it will understand that this is a complete statement. Without this is not a complete statement, because it is going on. Not terminator is available here. When I comes with terminator, it understands this suggest a terminator, but it can be on multiple line comment statements. Now you can see this. There's a no terminator, but there's a no error, because Java knows this statement continues until this terminator, because this will understand as the one statement. in Java. I hope you understand this structure of the first program, and thank you. Thank you for the watching, and if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe and hit bell icon so you can get the notification of the my next new lecture, which will be we will work on variables. For this, Allah Hafiz, and Happy New Year. Okay, this is the first Jan 2021, and I hope you are very good, and this year will be your best year, and we will go this we start this journey in the 2K20, not 2K starting, but in December. So we will work a lot in future 2K21 also. So bye bye and assalamu alaikum.